9-year-old aspiring inventor is getting closer to his big dreams with help from the Department of Science and Technology. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho has the report.
At just 9 years old, Javid Magsina already has a dream that reaches far beyond his age. He doesn't just want to become a scientist. He wants to become an inventor. In fact, one of his biggest dreams is to create portal technology. And what started as an open letter written by his mother, hoping someone would help nurture his curiosity, soon turned into an opportunity that brought him closer to that dream when the DOST Batangas opened its doors to the young aspiring inventor.
It was amazing. Oh my goodness. There was so much sciencey stuff, some STEM related stuff.
Javid's love for science began long before his visit. Because of asthma, he spent less time playing outside and more time reading books about programming, engineering, and space, teaching himself concepts that even adults find challenging.
First of all, I tried normal kid things, but I have asthma, so I can't play that much. It's just boring, too plain, too meh.
Nung nakita po namin yung open letter ni DOST, talaga pong excited siya kasi daw po may makakaintindi niya dun sa ideas niya.
During his visit, Javid met with DOST personnel, toured science facilities, explored 3D printing, virtual reality, and learned how technology is applied in the real world. More than a tour, DOST saw the visit as the beginning of helping a young mind find the right environment to grow. The agency is now coordinating with the Philippine Science High School to give Javid more exposure, while continuing to guide his future inventions and, when the time comes, even help assess them for possible patents.
Ang meron talaga natin for young, brilliant kids, no, ay nasa Philippine Science High School. That's the start of their journey towards becoming their future selves. We are in good faith, no, that for as long as Javid will persevere, no, I don't think na magfe-fail itong manifestation namin, no, kasi talagang malayo yung mararating ng bata.
For Javid, the dream is to one day invent technology that can help people. But his story is already doing something just as powerful, inspiring other young Filipinos to stay curious, keep learning, and never stop asking questions.
Keep reading books and also don't give up when it seems that no one can understand you. And also keep being curious about things.
Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.